Today we are making Japanese Yakiniku BBQ in a frying pan. Tender slices of beef are quickly seared and served with a flavorful homemade sauce. It's a quick and easy meal, no barbecue grill to set up and minimum cleaning afterward. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Cut the sliced beef into 3 to 4 inch pieces and a 1/4 inch thick. Short ribs or loin cut would be great to use. Let it come to the room temperature and sprinkle salt. We are making the sauce. Grate fresh ginger and garlic. In a small pot, combine the soy sauce, sugar, sake, mirin, sesame oil, and sesame seeds, and add the ginger and garlic. Bring to a boil and set aside. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat and sear the beef slices until lightly browned, then turn and cook the other side. Don't overcook the meat or overcrowd the pan. Serve with a side of pan-grilled vegetables and pour the sauce over. Pan-fried yakiniku is perfect for busy weeknights when you want something satisfying without the fuss. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。